Can we insert or delete the elements after creating an array? We cannot insert or delete the elements after creating an array. That is, the size of the array is fixed. Consider if arrays are allowing insertion operation. That is, if we try to add a new element, the size will be increased. If we delete an element, the size will be decreased if it is allows. But array size are fixed, so we cannot insert or delete the array elements once it is created. Only we can change the value of the elements. If you see in this example, we have created an array of size 5 and we are updating the value for first and second index, and when we are printing this we are able to see null java 100 null null. So whenever this statement executes, based on the size the elements will be created with default values. So only we can able to update the values. There is no way to insert or delete the array elements in array.